Ever wondered how just a single YouTube short can skyrocket your YouTube channel's growth? In this video, I will unveil exclusive strategies for YouTube shorts that include content selection, capturing viral trends, and optimizing for maximum views. We will give you insider tips that will boost your revenue like never before. Stay tuned to unlock the full potential of YouTube shorts. Welcome, digital creators. Today's journey with Millionaire Ventures Online dives deep into YouTube short strategy, capturing audiences with micro-content. Before we delve into strategies, let's clarify why embracing YouTube shorts is crucial for any content creator looking to thrive. Shorts are not just additional content. They are a strategic tool that differs significantly from long-form videos by offering quick, engaging snippets that attract and retain audiences in today's fast-paced digital environment. They are important because they cater to the growing demand for brief and engaging content, helping creators quickly increase visibility, engage a broader audience, and boost subscriber numbers. While long-form videos provide depth and detailed content, shorts capture the essence of a message in a moment, making them particularly effective for reaching audiences who prefer quick, entertaining content. This format is particularly conducive to virality, often leading viewers to explore more detailed videos, thereby enhancing the overall reach and impact of your YouTube channel. As part of a holistic content strategy, shorts work in tandem with your longer content, keeping your channel versatile and frequently engaged with by audiences. Are you ready to harness the power of shorts and transform your content strategy? Join us as we guide you through creating engaging, profitable shorts. Together with our digital pioneer Jordan, we'll explore the intricacies of crafting compelling micro-content that resonates and retains. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with innovative strategies to make your YouTube shorts not only popular but also a significant contributor to your channel's growth and profitability. Let's embark on this transformative path, turning brief content into lasting success. Crafting captivating YouTube shorts. How do you create YouTube shorts that not only engage but also monetize your creativity? In the bustling realm of YouTube shorts, success hinges on your ability to craft content that is both engaging and capable of driving revenue. These brief yet impactful videos are your gateway to capturing attention and translating views into earnings. Here's how to make your shorts stand out in the vast sea of content. Step 1. Identify trending topics. Begin by immersing yourself in the current trends and viral challenges. Platforms like Google Trends and YouTube's Explore page are invaluable for staying ahead of the curve. Understanding what's trending isn't just about jumping on the bandwagon. It's about injecting your unique perspective into popular topics, thereby creating content that resonates yet stands out. Step 2. Focus on high-quality production. Quality is a non-negotiable, even for shorts. Investing in good lighting and clear audio is essential, and with editing tools like InShot or Adobe Premiere Rush, you can enhance your videos to professional standards effortlessly. Remember, the quality of your content reflects your brand, and top-notch production can significantly boost viewer engagement. Step 3. Engage viewers in the first few seconds. The initial moments of your short are critical. Capture attention right from the start with something unexpected, a surprising fact, a thought-provoking question, or a visually captivating scene. The goal is to hook viewers instantly, compelling them to watch till the end. Step 4. Optimize for discoverability. Your shorts need to be easily discoverable. Employ a smart SEO strategy by using relevant hashtags, crafting compelling titles, and writing accurate descriptions. Think of these elements as the roadmap that guides viewers to your content. This approach not only increases the visibility of your shorts but also enhances the likelihood of them being shared, further amplifying your reach. Step 5. Embrace creative storytelling. In a brief span, your shorts should tell a story or convey a message. Creative storytelling can be a game changer, turning simple content into memorable experiences for your viewers. Whether it's humor, drama, or inspiration, infuse your shorts with a narrative that sticks with the audience long after they've watched it. Step 6. Interact and engage. Don't just post and forget. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, or direct calls to action within your shorts. This interaction not only fosters a community but also gives you insights into what your audience enjoys, helping you refine your future content. By incorporating these strategies, your YouTube Shorts will not only captivate audiences but also open doors to monetization opportunities. Growing your audience with YouTube Shorts. How can YouTube Shorts be used to significantly grow your channel's audience? In the dynamic world of YouTube, Shorts have emerged as a powerful tool for audience expansion. These bite-sized videos, when used strategically, can serve as a potent magnet, drawing in viewers and fostering a sense of community. They are not just about creating content. They're about building and nurturing a growing audience base. Let's dive into the strategies that can help you leverage Shorts to their fullest potential. Step 1. Consistent posting schedule. Establish a regular posting rhythm for your Shorts. Consistency keeps your audience engaged and builds anticipation for your next release. Analyze your viewers' activity patterns and tailor your posting schedule to maximize visibility and engagement. A predictable posting schedule ensures that your audience always has something new to look forward to, keeping your channel at the forefront of their minds. Step 2. Leverage Shorts for channel growth. Utilize Shorts as a gateway to the broader content on your channel. Incorporate effective call to actions that encourage viewers to explore more of your videos, subscribe, and even check out your playlists. This integration not only boosts your Shorts but also drives traffic to your long-form content, enhancing overall channel engagement. Step 3. Engage with your audience. Interaction is key. Actively respond to comments on your Shorts to foster a community spirit. Engagement goes beyond boosting algorithm favorability. It creates a bond with your audience, encouraging loyalty and repeat viewership. Recognize and appreciate viewer participation to make them feel valued and part of your YouTube journey. Step 4. Cross-promote on other platforms. Don't limit your Shorts to YouTube alone. Expand your reach by sharing them on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This cross-promotion not only introduces your content to a broader audience but also creates multiple touchpoints for viewers to connect with your channel. Utilizing different platforms effectively can drive significant traffic back to your YouTube channel, amplifying your audience growth. By implementing these focused strategies, your YouTube Shorts will become a powerful asset in expanding your audience. Regular, engaging content, combined with strategic cross-promotion and community interaction, can transform your channel's reach and set you on the path to YouTube success. Monetizing YouTube Shorts. What strategies can effectively monetize your YouTube Shorts? The realm of YouTube Shorts presents unique opportunities for monetization beyond traditional ad revenues. These quick, engaging videos are not just a means to capture audience attention, they can also be a significant source of income when utilized creatively. It's about thinking outside the box and leveraging the unique format of Shorts to generate revenue through diverse channels. Let's explore how you can turn your short-form content into a profitable venture. Step 1. Capitalize on YouTube's Shorts Fund. Actively engage with YouTube's evolving monetization policies, particularly the Shorts Fund, which is designed to reward creators for their popular Shorts content. Keep abreast of the eligibility criteria and maximize your potential earnings by consistently creating Shorts that resonate with your audience and garner high engagement rates. Step 2. Incorporate brand partnerships. Establish partnerships with brands for sponsored content within your Shorts. These collaborations can range from subtle product placements to more direct endorsements. Choose partnerships that align with your content style and audience preferences to ensure authenticity. Sponsored Shorts can be a lucrative source of income, especially when the brand aligns well with your content niche. Step 3. Drive traffic to monetized content. Strategically use your Shorts to funnel viewers toward your longer, monetized videos. This indirect monetization tactic leverages the high engagement of Shorts to boost views on your main channel content, thereby enhancing overall channel revenue. Consider creating Shorts that serve as teasers or previews, piquing interest in your more comprehensive videos. Step 4. Merchandise and product promotion. Directly promote your merchandise or affiliate products through your Shorts. This approach can be highly effective, as it taps into the impulse buying behavior that short, engaging content often triggers. Showcase your products creatively within the context of your Shorts, providing a seamless and enticing call to action for viewers to make purchases. Advanced strategies for YouTube Shorts success. What are the cutting-edge techniques to elevate your YouTube Shorts and maximize earnings? To truly excel with Shorts, you need to employ advanced strategies that set you apart and boost your earning potential. Step 1. Analyze performance data. Utilize YouTube Analytics to understand which Shorts perform best. Tailor your content strategy based on these insights for increased engagement and revenue. Step 2. Experiment with different formats. Test various content styles and formats in your Shorts. This experimentation can reveal what resonates most with your audience. Step 3. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other YouTubers for cross-promotion. These collaborations can expand your reach and introduce your channel to new audiences. Step 4. Stay ahead of trends. Keep an eye on emerging trends and new features within YouTube Shorts. Being an early adopter can give you a competitive edge. As we wrap up, remember that mastering YouTube Shorts is about combining creativity with strategy. These concise videos can be a powerful tool for audience engagement and revenue generation. Implement the strategies we've shared, and watch as your Shorts transform into a significant income source. Don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online for more insights into the world of digital earning. Let's make your YouTube Shorts a key player in your online success story.